Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're opening up the Ipsy bags, Ipsy Glam Bag and Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for June. So I have them right here. Hopefully the audio and everything's okay. I'm trying a few new things out today, so feedback would be great. Thank you for being here. So before we get started and get into the Ipsy bags, also we have a little extra from Ipsy to open and something from their refreshment store. So super exciting. But before we do that, I just want to say hi, welcome or welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes and I open them here on our channel, and I would love it if you subscribed and joined our little family here. If you love them too, that would make me so happy, but I'm just so grateful you're here. But yeah, let's get started, you guys. So the theme, I have it right here, is show your colors. And the bags, like usual, are cute. I don't know if they're like my all-time favorite bag, because they've been really good lately, but these are adorable. So we have our Ipsy Glam Bag, and of course Ipsy will be linked down below. These are sent to me in PR, but I don't have an affiliate link or any sponsorships, so it's just the link to their website. I will leave down below if you're interested. So we've got definitely a summer theme going on. I love the yellow popsicles, cute. And then there's a little like orange slice on the zipper there, which is really cute. So how about we start off with the Ipsy Glam Bag. So I always suggest, if people are looking to just start out with like beauty subscriptions, to start with this one because it's $12 and you get $50 in value, and sometimes you even get full-size products. So it's a great like starter and staple like in your subscription box or beauty box collection. So yeah, cute. So it's a little sheer, it's like mesh. Well, I don't know, you wouldn't consider this mesh, but anyways, let's get started. So you get 5 items. You get to customize 1. In the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, you get to customize 3 out of the 5, and those are all full size. But start with this product here, very summery looking. Dew of the Gods Froze Mini Iced Rose Body Scrub, blessed by a Buddhist monk to inspire pride and confidence. Cool, I didn't read that before when I peeked in. I have tried this brand's lip scrub before. I've never tried their body scrub, but I am actually out of body scrub, so I am very grateful to get this. I like to use body scrubs before I shave my legs, which will come up later. I'll hold that thought, but I think I get a better shave when I use them. Plus it's just like very luxurious to like exfoliate once a week, especially with summertime coming. It'll make your skin feel more healthy and just treat you. Like, it's total goddess energy, and that's what I'm trying to embody and embrace lately. So super cute. So this is, I bet you can get a few uses out of this depending on how much you use. But I love the look of it. And then next we have by Milk Makeup the Hydro Grip Primer, and this is a deluxe size. It did come in an outer like cardboard thing. Do I have it over here? Took it off. So it did come with like some outer packaging that talks about the item, which is nice. I have tried this before, but not enough to have a solid opinion to know how it works with like foundation, because I've been just using tinted moisturizers mostly lately, and the ABH foundation. I'm obsessed with that, but I've been going really light on the makeup. I'm probably already sweating. It's summertime, you know, but apparently this helps grip onto your makeup so it lasts longer. If you guys have tried this, I know a lot of people like it. Let me know your thoughts. I need to try it more. So this is mine. I think I have another little small size like this, so this might go in a future giveaway. Which, by the way, if you are new here, I do a random subscriber, or I pick a random subscriber every single month, and I announce it on the first of the month and send them a bag full of goodies. It's my way of giving back to you guys. It's a big thank you, because I get PR like this and I get to talk to you guys every day and I love it. So I want to, and it's all thanks to you, so I want to give back. So thanks. But let's keep going. Next up, this brand is Bad Habit. I don't know if I've ever heard it, but it's really cute. So this is their Wake Things Up Matcha and Mint Morning Cleanser. And on here it has crossed off, you can't wash away those 2 a.m. texts, but you should still wash your face. I think they're funny. I like that. It makes me like remember this product that I have, especially if you have like multiple and want to reach for it. And I love matcha. It's just cute. Puts a smile on my face, so I like that a lot. If you guys have tried this or any of the items, please let us know your thoughts. And then I have one item in here, and this is a full-size product. This is by Belle en Argent. I always feel like I'm pronouncing that wrong, Bella and Argent. I've tried some of their items before, but this is a tinted lip balm, which I'm super stoked about because like I mentioned already, I am kind of light on the makeup these days, and I love tinted lip balms because I don't really go for the liquid lipsticks anymore because I like hydration. But this is in the shade For Wednesdays Pink, and this came with outer packaging too. Let's see, yeah, tinted lip balm. Wear alone for deeply pigmented color or pair with our Lip Luar gloss for high shine. I love the purple. And it's like this light pink. I don't really smell it. My allergies are a little bad today, but I'm not too stuffy. It doesn't have much of a fragrance. I haven't swatched it yet. Let's see. Yeah, so just a light pink. You see it there? And it feels nice. It's not like super sticky. So yeah, it's not too much pigment, but it looks nice. I haven't tried it on my lips yet. I'll have to let you know, but I am excited about that. So awesome. And that was everything I got in the Glam Bag. Let's go on to the Glam Bag Plus now. So this is the drawstring bag. It has the popsicles, purple string, cute, very summery. And in here, there's some items, when I get this in PR, sometimes there's like extra items, or I don't know what, it's all outside of the bag, so I might have like mismatched what came in the Glam Bag and what came in the Glam Bag Plus. Let's start with the one item I think usually would come in the Glam Bag, the regular one, the $12 bag, is a brush. And I consider brushes to be full-size items. Brushes can be expensive. This is probably like at least $12. This is by LaRousse. Yeah, they're expensive, and I do like their brushes that I've used. This is their LR105 Short Shadow Brush. It has like the ribbed, what's this word? Starts with an ferrule? I don't know, it doesn't matter, but it's ribbed and gray, and it just looks bougie, and I'm pretty sure it's price bougie as well. And next up, we have some skincare by Dr. Zenobia Hormonal Dermatology, and this is their Essentials Hyaluronic Acid and Peptide Serum. So it firms, nourishes, plumps, and tones skin. So they have some patented thing called Regulate 360 Complex that addresses the appearance of hormone-impacted skin. I know all my acne is hormone-related typically. Like I just had my period. It's kind of going away now, but around my like chin normally. But they're probably thinking like aging hormones. Let's see what it says. Yeah, it has resveratrol, vitamin E, green tea, bakuchiol. Why can't I say that right now? It's the plant-based retinol, and resveratrol comes from wine or grapes. And then it has plant-derived phytoestrogen, also known as genistein. This property technology helps restore the appearance of hormonally imbalanced skin to an optimal healthy state. Wow, I'm really stumbling over my words. I love that they're cruelty-free, they're gluten-free, they don't have any icky stuff in there. It hydrates and plumps your skin, and I like how it looks. I know I'm being repetitive, but let me know if you've used this. I love peptides and hyaluronic acid for hydrating my skin, so I will likely use this next. I just opened a new serum. But next, by HipDot, we have 5 little sponges, and I was really excited when I saw this. I could have used it today. I really just use like a tinted moisturizer, and then I'll use concealer like on my zits, and this is a perfect size for under eye and for just covering up small blemishes. And look at the fun colors. It totally goes with the theme. I haven't tried them yet. Obviously, they're still in the bag, but I'm super happy about this. Let's open it. They feel really soft. What do you guys do? I normally don't wet my sponges. I use them dry. I know most people don't do that, but these are perfect because they're not too hard. Yeah, they'll get right where you need them to. Pointing out where my flaws are, but okay, let's keep going. So we have another skincare item by Dr. Brandt, a brand we see in subscriptions all the time. I'm not complaining though. Triple Antioxidant Face Cream. And what's in here? It doesn't really say much else about it. Well, it has antioxidants. Let me just scan it. So there's glycerin, aloe, it has wine extract. That's funny, I was just talking about wine. Yeah, it looks like this is really just to hydrate your skin, get rid of free radicals. It seems good. There's some like essential oils maybe in it though, but You guys have tried it. Again, broken record, but let us know your thoughts down below. I have tried one of their moisturizers in the past, and I really liked their microdermabrasion face scrub I've used before too. But yeah, leave your comment. I'm not sure if I don't think I've used this one. And then, are we on to the last item already? Yeah, we have a little palette here by Ciate London. It's their cranberry palette. It's a 9-piece eyeshadow palette. And I've liked the products I've tried from Ciate London. I don't know why, I feel like a long time ago I thought of the brand as like not, bougie's not the right word, but like a little bit lower in the spectrum, but it's not, it's good. So there is a mirror. And I love that the colors, like story of the palette matches the outer. So you can like look through your drawer and grab it quick if this is the look you're going for. And here are the shades. I did take some clips earlier, so hopefully you can get a better picture of them. But so it looks like we have 4 mattes and like 5 shimmers. One of them looks really cool. I'm not going to swatch it right now, I apologize, but again, I'm likely going to give this away to one of you guys. I haven't been wearing too much eye makeup. I'm just getting chatty the more I talk to you guys, but I do like meditation and yoga every day, and I tear up a lot when I laugh too, and it's just really sweaty and hot, so I just haven't really been wearing as much eye makeup. Like I wear mascara, but I wear the Thrive Cosmetics mascara so it doesn't come off as easily. But that was everything in the Glam Bag Plus. What did you get in yours? Did you customize it and pick any of these items? Let me know, and let me know what you think about them. But now let's look at the refreshment item they sent me. I've had this before and I don't have it anymore, and I'm so excited. And I referenced this earlier. We have a razor. So if you guys don't know, they have a shop where you can like get add-ons sent with your subscription, and you can get like just like daily things, like you can get makeup remover wipes, razors, shampoo, deodorant. So it's really cool. You can add that on. It's like everyday essential type stuff. And this is awesome because it's magnetic. I have it already in my bathroom, so I can just stick it on. But it's called their Dazzling 5-Blade Razor Kit, and it's in pink bubbly. And it works really well. I really like it. It's the only other razor besides the Fab razor that I've really enjoyed in the previous like years. So super excited about this. And it says pair with our pillowy shave cream. I have used their shave cream before in the past too. I ran out of it. That's good too. So they give you the kit, like the thing to put in your shower so it sticks. And like it's seriously just, it's so easy to store in your shower. And then there's 2. So you get 1 refill, 2 of the blades. And it's cute and pink, I love it. So thank you, Ipsy. And then we have a little extra from Ipsy that they sent, and I'm actually really excited about this. I need to start using this when I do like TikTok, which I had to get better about. But we have this little Pixie Light 2.0 it's called. So you clip this on the top of your phone, and it says Ipsy, and then it lights up. Sorry if it's gonna get bright. So you can like take better selfies or pictures of things. It's super exciting. So it comes with a USB cord so you can charge it. So it says a small camera or beauty light for your smartphone, tablet, or laptop. Camera. Oh yeah, so you can put this on other things too, they're saying. At first I was like, what? Yeah, so it can go on other things, not just your phone. That is true. Like if you're doing like a Zoom call or something with your laptop, you don't need a big ring light. I never even thought about that. Cool. So I'm excited about this. It's so cute. It has Ipsy on it, and I really like Ipsy. So that's everything I have for today, guys. Thank you, Ipsy, for sending me these items. I really enjoyed it this month, and thank you guys for being here and watching. Again, if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so. So I'll see you in the next video. Leave your comments down below what you think about my Ipsy bags and what you're getting in yours. If you get Ipsy, if you don't, why not, etc. And again, they're linked down below. Thank you again. I love you so much, and I hope you have a beautiful day. Bye.